Hi, today we are going to discuss about insurance business. So, introduction, what is the insurance? First, we have to know. So, insurance is a means of protection from financial loss. It is a form of risk management primarily used to hedge against the risk of contingent uncertain loss or an arrangement by which a company or the state undertakes to provide a guarantee of compensation for specified loss, damage, illness, or death in return for payment of a specified premium. Types of insurance. So here insurance mainly two types: life insurance and general insurance. So in life insurance there are some plans. Protection plan, saving plans, investment plans, retirement plans, group plans, children's plans. Here in general insurance, fire insurance, marine insurance, health insurance, motor vehicle insurance. So these are the types of insurance. So moving to the main difference between life insurance and general insurance. So life is very long term in nature. Life insurance can cover risks over many decades. General insurance covers risks usually for shorter period such as 1 year. Evaluation of insurance sector in India. Some of important milestones in the life insurance business in India are 1818 Oriental Life Insurance Company, the first life insurance company on Indian soil, started functioning. In 1870, Bombay Mutual Life Assurance Society, the first Indian life insurance company, started its business. In 1912, the Indian Life Assurance Company Act, enacted as the first state statute to regulate the life insurance business. Earlier, legislation consolidated and amended to by the Insurance Act with the objective of protecting the interest of the insuring public. In 1956, 245 Indian and foreign insurers and provident societies are taken over by the central government and nationalized. LIC formed by an act of parliament, LIC Act 1956, with a capital contribution of rupees 5 crore from the government of India. Similarly, in 1972, 107 general insurers were nationalized to the passing a General Insurance Business Act 1972 nationalized the existing 107 insurers were amalgamated and grouped into 5 companies viz National Insurance Company, New India Assurance Company, Oriental Insurance Company, United India Insurance Company and General Insurance Corporation. Then assurance industry transformed into monopoly and oligopolistic state or public sector insurance industry in India. Regulatory body. Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India IRDAI is the controlling and regulatory apex body in the country for insurance sector, and its chairman and members are appointed by Government of India. IRDA headquarter is located at Hyderabad. It was constituted as a body to regulate and develop the insurance industry in 1999 and was incorporated as a statutory body in April 2000. The key objectives of IRDAI is promotion of competition to satisfy customer choice with lower premiums. The IRDA opened up market in August 2000. Foreign companies were allowed ownership up to 26%. Next, moving to the next rule of IRDAI. Protecting the interest of policyholders, establishing the guidelines for the operations of insurers and brokers, specifying the code of conduct, qualification and training for insurance intermediaries and agents, promoting efficiency in the conduct of insurance business, regulating the investment of funds by insurance companies. The list of insurance companies in India. Public sector. National Insurance Company Limited, New India Assurance Company Limited, Oriental Insurance Company Limited, United India Insurance Company Limited. These are the public sector companies in India. Moving to the next, private sector companies. Bajaj Allianz General Insurance, ICICI Lombard, L&T General Insurance, Tata AIG General, IFCO Tokai. So these are the private sectors. And major players in life insurance companies. Number 1, Bajaj Allianz Life Insurance Company. Number 2, Birla Sun Life Insurance Company Limited. Number 3, HDFC Standard Life Insurance Company Limited. Number 4, ICICI Prudential Life Insurance Company Limited. Number 5, Max New York Life Insurance Company Limited. Number 6, SBI Life Insurance Company Limited. Number 7, Tata AIG Life Insurance Company Limited. Number 8, Reliance Life Insurance Company Limited. Number 9, Kodak Life Insurance Company Limited. Number 10, Bharati AXA Life Insurance Company Limited. So these are the major players in life insurance. Next, moving to the next, major players in general insurance companies. In number 1, Bajaj Allianz General Insurance Company Limited. Number 2, ICICI Lombard General Insurance Company Limited. Number 3, Reliance General Insurance Company Limited. Number 4, Bharati AXA General Insurance Company Limited. Number 5, SBI General Insurance Company Limited. Number 6, L&T General Insurance Company Limited. Number 7, Tata AIG General Insurance Company Limited. Number 8, Agriculture Insurance Company of India Limited. Moving to the next, growth of insurance sector. Globally, the share of life insurance business in total premium was 56.8%. However, the share of life insurance business in Asian region was only 28.9%, which is in contradiction with the global trend. For India, the share of life insurance business in total insurance business was very high at 80.2%, while the share of non-life insurance business was small at 19.8%. In life insurance business, India is ranked 10th among the 88 countries for which data are published by Swiss Re. During 2012, the life insurance premium in India declined by 6.9%, inflation adjusted. During the same period, the global life insurance premium increased by 2.3%. However, the share of Indian non-life insurance premium is global. Non-life insurance premium was small at 0.66% and India ranks 19th in global non-life insurance market. Insurance sector in India, issue and challenges. So public versus private. In insurance sector, the public sector still dominating after even a decade of opening the doors of this sector. This situation does put some burden on the private sector companies to innovate and differentiate themselves so that they could have a better share in the market. Client servicing. The making potential customers understanding about insurance products in simple and meaningful way poses a big challenge in front of insurance companies. So continuing, staying profitable. According to a research, the break-even period in the life insurance business has increased from the expected 9 to 10 years to about 13 to 15 years now. It is already under the pressure of massive expansion cost but also has to face the problems of diminishing volumes as policy lapses increasing year on year. So here some human resource policies. Human resource planning, training on development, performance appraisal and review, employee participation, compensation and rewards, healthy and management, job design. So maintaining effective employer and employee relationship and also staffing. Here some marketing strategies superior to any other saving plan. Door hangers, quick borrowing as home loan, student loan, interesting rates higher than others, word of mouth, ads on social media, Facebook, Twitter. Process should be customer friendly. So moving to the next, the three major players of insurance sector. Number one is Life Insurance Corporation of India, LIC. LIC of India is first position. LIC of India is largest insurance company in India, founded in 1956, and it is an Indian state owned insurance group headquartered in Mumbai, India. LIC offers to its customers such as insurance plans, pension plans, special plans, and group schemes. Products or services of LIC: insurance plans, pension plans, health plans, withdrawal plans, micro insurance plans, special plans, unit plans. So this is the services of LIC. So conclusion, today the most of insurance companies are recruiting the agents who are professionals who can sell their unsought insurance products. Company also provide better policies based on customer needs and demands. In the competitive market, companies provide better service quality, pricing, advertisement and promotional activities. CRM is issued to certain the customers and communicate with them. Next, by another 20 years, 50% of population is expected to have at least sort of an insurance. So this is the introduction and brief about insurance in India. So thank you.